into that understeer situation and it just kind of cuts the power. It won't kick the back out.
Yeah, you need to be careful.
It will not drift. It's trying not to.
Wow.
It's doing really good.
Yeah.
I tried to do a U-turn in the middle of the intersection over there and it wouldn't do it.
Really?
It cut the power. It wouldn't let me kick the back out.
Really?
I had to make a left turn and go turn around on the street.
Shit, man. Be careful.
Yeah. Oh, it will not drift. It will not drift.
Won't drift.
No. The nanny is kicking in.
I can't believe you can't turn it off.
I know. Maybe there's a way. I don't know. I don't. I know the Riker you can turn off the nanny. The rally edition.
That one doesn't want you to have fun.
No. We're trying to anyway.